Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your 4EEI power meter. First, let's get ready. You'll want to wake up your power meter by simply spinning the crank arms 3 or 4 times. Next, make sure your 4EEI app or cycling computer is powered on and ready to search for new devices. It's also important to confirm your display unit supports either ANT Plus or Bluetooth Smart protocols for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your power meter. Open the 4EEI app on your smartphone or go to the Sensors menu on your cycling computer. Look for an option like Add a Device or Add Sensor. Your power meter should appear in the list of available devices. You can identify it by its unique ANT Plus ID, which is usually etched on the power meter pod. Select your device and then press Connect or Pair to establish the link. For accurate readings, performing a zero offset, also known as calibration, is crucial. First, dismount from your bike and hold it upright and stable. Position the crank arms vertically, with the non-drive side arm pointing downwards at the 6 o'clock position. Then, on your app or display unit, find and select the zero offset or calibrate function. A successful calibration will typically show a confirmation message or a code, often the number 10. To ensure your power meter consistently provides the best data, here are some tips. Always perform a zero offset before each ride, especially if there are significant temperature changes. Regularly connect to the 4EEI app to check for and install any firmware updates. Also, periodically check your battery contacts and replace the CR2032 battery when the app indicates low power. Remember to keep your bike perfectly stable during calibration for accurate results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.